Kotoko breached the disciplinary code 2019 Mad Safety and Security Protocols no. Na the kofa we no na buy and says ambaka bra ye nua poli enya ne baby coin no na ye na tenase stakeholders of the game tenase say there be game na say ye jan dodo ma obi atimi ko baby ope baby o ni senke ma supporter kokra be obi hanu kom tag bia na obat otimi enya kwan na okọ sa ne ma ni na no efiri sa brand de ko ne yetwem say uni tag bia betimi ama wakọ sa azu no ha uni kwan say ese won so call na according to the chart sheet no am say ebra Kotoko ane mediama ball first half ni wie no na referee I friend say Alex Amoaben ane Ibrahim Pate na Philip Amo abro mo ball ma bia omo kom dressing room no supporters bia na yammo mu tumi va tag bia no mu koma e kyerese sa so no na so mutimi call no mo ko ho eko haze eye referee no ane eye ne nkofo no mo handle eye game no na no na embenifo echirema almost say Kotoko had failed to ensure the safety and match officials no ntino omo amom from enra na ye bo omo kwadu no to enyame ya adom china say omo mra na omo meyi omo ho enso anunti ano nsema efri komasa sanako ene mediama game no enso emu ebaye na nyame ya adom ne enwumre ya 7 pm say ye ne UK time no ayepe na Ghana in fact Black Kings amano yene a Lioness of Air England and airbo our St Mary Stadium awo aye Southampton ho and a game no enso ebaso na head coach Edemba Black Kings Boboku no aye ora ekem last I can't say maybe and the afa a game no say approach it saying ya cross aye underdogs na ya ko gine chiro se ne be ya ejankofo enhye bibria na se yekobiem na yene eye England man no enso timi abo head coach Edema Black Queens came last nasivni
the game a little bit different. If it's insurance or not, I don't know. We will see after the game, but we believe in ourselves. We know that we have strong players that are ready to tackle, to work hard and take every duel. And I think that's going to make the difference for us. And I hope that we can stay in the game as long as possible. We're attacking the game, like I said. Our game plan is to win it. If it's possible or not, if it's realistic, I don't know, and I don't care, to be honest. I like the fact that we work hard and we dream big, and we do it together.
Okay, and I know I head coach at the Black Queens Bobo Kono. Yera I came last, and Yebusan is approaching a bad day. Now, so your penny also, you better attack Romo. England for never attack on by no bobo. Na, you said you bet me a winning a game now. Then, as I'm told for the Busan, hey, no penny. Oh yeah, sure. So Black Queens, I met me at England. The man was so on no result. Don't shed and yano. I didn't hear the baby. Do him and it's a general unity. And when him so met me attack England for no, so of course. Say band is always so much so met me at Shomo. And then you may say be a show team second. Yeah, corner. I will go a chalk bomb jeba. I'll see the you could be him. You're my boy. A normal gamer. Obiabo say yes. Ghana, your Black Queens, no. And so has come of age. And then so some no. I don't know. Na owie na ba ko no so ncheye. O johnny yam Black Queens to me Chantel. In fact, ababa one buy no. A lot of Ghanaians epe ababa one some pub because ba body man and yasem kitu akra. And also the kakra de tuda akwanya oni the colleagues of my bobo for England gamer. And you may ever so our St Mary Stadium or Southampton.
We're excited to play this game. I think we believe in our own qualities. You've mentioned a couple of countries there, but none of them countries are Ghana. As you've said, we haven't played England before, so it's the first time the two nations are going to meet. We back ourselves. We enjoy the football that we play, and we know when we play the football, we can be a force against any team, any country that we come up against. So I think we've got the belief in the camp. We've got the excitement in the camp. It's an amazing occasion for us all. I think we just go out there, relax, we enjoy the game, and we play our best football when we believe in ourselves. So I don't think there's any fear whatsoever within our campus. As I say, we believe in ourselves and see the performance that we put out tomorrow.
Okay. And Chantel, I don't know, I say yes, you're near England for Mano. you know more that this is the first time you know more Ecobo international friendly war England kumo na I say yes on people jitum say England for no was through at the chain Ghana but I know any colleagues game no fan normal I might relax it because I'm Jomudi say on betting England man abunti anwumai say be a show team so economy kutwa afia so simple say debi am the game no man fan cool kra England for near the but o ma chom so no so enim ball no eba anu kakra a free yen game in England e ma no ebo ene anyway aya yen kan ne Kotoko charges e dia bom ni na mum so na in charge na afi yen twa ho kakra emfa emra it seems like I don't know yen clubs supporters no mo come hu o man na said I don't know Kotoko ko yom ho no dia but so now who Baba Stadium ref no that bad
don't say me sure say obi a otie bia be oh nsem chofo na ye Kotoko area masema no mo ba beka muntu kwan kwa away games mun hu de ya na mo ye wo ho look you see Domini Esado so ntakrache and so obi a power pump mana or show de no rich umpo bi asema won kana asem and wo yin trim say Kotoko ne has omo ye kese ni nti omo na so botwa sama omo maka no edi akiri nti you will not be selective say as asemba Kotoko ne has in some for promo so meka but we don't know what goes on with other venues. It doesn't really matter. Aboche Krasa, Rachel Spain. They discuss Real Madrid, Barcelona, Moche, all the other clubs. Manchester United, Liverpool, you discuss more England than the smaller clubs. Now, unim me how many, but no credit say na safety protocols no order. But na the implementation no na etosini me kaita ma yenua pole efrim no one of adia me kai dodo pa wo mensem mutama na ye discuss those issues ne say yenua ne de okọ but adia ba ko betimi de agyan eye ni wo no significance on how you be aware
be reforming in football.
Yes, you be aware say the football environment must be a safety environment for a grown to grow. And metimi aka say yenua bema no adia wode ni nkwatwa so is the improved safety protocols no rich for all the clubs now omusi aka in the Premier League emu de ahi pa na uye more disappointed if what say the yenua pole edi ni nkwatwa so man no obuso a Kotoko
because mo dem support afam
yes adia etom yen Kotoko for no ene na me nei this change is aba and it's what say Kotoko for name are being charged and I say they are like say omu buso areho pa I just hope say Kenya no kre and I will not want to sound prejudicial. And to me, but in some Rich, and before the FA committee will charge you, it means and some appear in the reports of the officials. And Makase football Mrano, Rich, official reports make a referee match commissioner. And man say, Omo report on the Ghana Football Association, any baby ano. And on a deemed as the actual happenings of Adia Koso, unless say contrary evidence. I oppose you, Master, until we will see whether Kotoko will go and admit. And I say they have a contrary evidence saying some referee for an aircom reporting and no credit. But it is sad. Say Kotoko will be a subject of even this discussion. So we may be a free by any baby I have be draw. Rich. Before I make Ghana Black Queens in England as no. Let me state Saudi way, and I want it to be on record. In Tizano Mesemo, I am on photographic so mame. Rich. You were going to build the national teams. No? And Anya Shekrano, it is the only department of sports in general. Abai has always seen it as their responsibility. Into a film recently na say what here normal Ghanaian on the street now or didn't come out about investment into sports. Idea or the Trump one say blasters there now by no attempts cannot their quack. Say national teams there now by no attempts cannot their quack. Rich in prepare say even Sadiano is in jeopardy. Ubejedi say, Rich, Black Queen's preparation on Muye is to enhance the team and grow it more to be competitive on the African continent and in the world at large. The last time you call Africa, you could need it. And you didn't say, you call next time. Maybe at this time, you're going to final. You ain't and you can't this second. We know, say, we've better the last time you call it. And the ultimate goal is to conquer Africa. Na ebia yesu so about because our elite countries na si eba e ma work up we will make consistent appearance na yesu so yetimi akọ compete kakra ho but Rich blasters in common de bia imi dina me so obsessed about the way our government and neglected Black Queens you know enye buapayo I feel it within myself say Aban is not doing enough and they are reneging on their responsibility to the Black Queens. Ubejedi say Black Queens are going to Yomutu, not a penny from the government. England no mukakubo game no because game no are taking charge of Black Queens accommodation for a number of contingents from I think the 30th of November to the close of a neighbor game new year. That is the only cost. Flight tickets. See a content baby a koda I think one of the English Premier League teams abo Ashomo 3-1. I think West Ham or so. You know my friendly game and Sunday game way. And until you call them Rich, play ticket here, they call you baby I call down sana. England for the take charge from the 30th Nina. Hey, F Nika. If we say be done, they say the FA don't pay Black Queens coaches, you know. BBS they don't pay them till today. And to him, the vision to build the Black Queens to level na anymore anymore. Rich a jinam council because and they even within the FA they fear say and where I came last the only in a bit Diego said the Hara Nora Haptel at the end you know. Why must we be in this situation? Now my first information will come. Apart from say Yenchia Black Queens coaches Nika. Now Abai has not paid any part of this trip cost no. Black Stars Nankasankasemu. Rich, do you know say Otuado and any technical team? And Jebia Yabako World Cup. They need all the motivation to prepare the team. Rich, you do 8 months in GI. 8 months. You've not paid your Black Stars coach and the technical team for Nika. The last time England, Omushi China, say, Rich, minimum what the man football at Chacha. And man football, time ever popular pan. Say, open one of the countries, or no minimum Bopa, that's China
for the come here.
And see, I was watching England and China. First half, no much 5-0. Second half, I want to train account. 8. And then maybe someone say, when the China lose their mogo when it comes to women's football, then I realize, Rich, China for their Lucy, but England for now, they've really advanced. And then some go Champions League now, English club and I did Champions League, you know, a man from Arsenal, and they have a lot of players. Look at Chelsea, Man City, Liverpool, any other teams. Omu contribution to England and man. Look, no can say. Yes, Kasa, Sanebeya, ye did GDB game, but any chance in England for no rich. They are the European champions. And when they even meet the best in Germany and Spain, they beat them. England share the world champions in Spain. And it's a good test for the Black Queens. But and it does all pass. You better cause it upset there. Oh, Nhyira FM.
Don't you ever see?
Amusu garlic bitters, mamoja.